I will show you how to install your Lumion LiveSync plugin in ARCHICAD21 or ARCHICAD22. The method is same. Here I have Lumion LiveSync plugin. Here you can start post LiveSync stock and view LiveSync palette, setting and export collider files. And here you will get an extra tab for this to activate your LiveSync camera. So first of all, you have to download your Lumion LiveSync plugin. I have downloaded this Lumion LiveSync plugin. If you don't know how to download this plugin, please watch my video. In that video, I have to talk how we will download this LiveSync plugin. And now copy it and go to the local disk C program files, then GRAPHISOFT, and open GRAPHISOFT ARCHICAD21. Scroll down and find a folder called Add-Ons. In Add-Ons you will get an extra folder. In this extra, paste your plugin. So I already pasted this Lumion LiveSync plugin for ARCHICAD21, so I'm not going to paste on this. And if you don't have, just paste and make sure you close your GRAPHISOFT21 ARCHICAD before pasting on this folder, and then start your ARCHICAD, and then you will get LiveSync. Thank you for watching this video. Comment if you have any problem.